Magandang umaga Pilipinas and hello world! Ako po si Ryan at welcome sa Cupcakes po! Ngayong araw na ito, I'll be teaching you how to make St. Patrick's Day surprise cupcakes. So subscribe now and let's get started! What is St. Patrick's Day? St. Patrick's Day is a global celebration of the Irish culture. Ready, set, bake! What you're gonna need to make the St. Patrick's Day surprise cupcakes is vanilla cupcake batter, rainbow colored frosting, and fondant. The first step is to divide your vanilla cupcake batter into two. Set half of your vanilla cupcake batter aside, like this. Take the first half of your vanilla cupcake batter and color it green. Once you have your green cupcake batter, we transfer them into the molds for Shamrock molds. Into a Shamrock mold. First thing you do is you spray your molds. And then we transfer them using an ice cream scooper. The next step is to cover this with aluminum foil and bake it for 9 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The next step is to coop our The next step is to scoop our plain white vanilla cupcake batter into green cupcake tins. Now, take your Shamrocks and place it in the cupcake batter. Once the cupcakes are baking, it's going to rise up and is going to cover the Shamrock. And now we bake this for 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the cupcakes are baking, it's now time for us to make the frosting. To color my frosting, I'd like to use the Wilton Color Right kit because it doesn't change the consistency of your frosting. To make green, you have to put equal amounts of blue and yellow. 1, 2, 3. And then we mix this thoroughly. Look at that! I placed my different color buttercream into Wilton 12-inch piping bags. We start by taking Saran wrap or shrink wrap or whatever I forgot what we call it. To make the perfect rainbow swirl, what we do is we pipe buttercream logs of different colors into our Saran wrap. So we start with the green and the yellow for the middle, the orange and the blue, and then we finish it off the red and the purple. And then the next step is to fold your buttercream together. And then what you do is you take both ends and then you spin it around until you make a buttercream log. Once you have your piping bag ready with the Wilton 6B piping tip, what you do is you cut off one end of your buttercream log and then you place it all the way in. My cupcakes have had plenty of time to cool. It's now time for us to decorate. So what you do is you create a buttercream tower in the middle and then you pipe a swirl from the outside, working your way out and then back to the middle, like this. And now for the surprise. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody! Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again next week.